Now I am showing the where secretion is accumulated in the middle lobe of the right lung, that is medial and lateral segment. So make the patient supine lying and turn towards the left side quarter turn, 1/4 or 45-degree turn. Then you have to keep the pillow below the knee or in between the knee, flexed knee. So you have to elevate the foot end up to 16 inches. At present, I don't have the adjustable cot. Because of that, I am roughly showing you. So now patient is in a side lying position and her hand is in a abduction position because I want to clamp the middle lobe of the right lung. So now you think the lower end, foot end is elevated 16 inches and flexed knee. I am keeping one pillow below the knee. So again I made her hand in abduction. So now I am clapping. Clapping in nipple area. I am moving only my wrist. This should be very lightly. It should be very lightly, gently and rhythmically. According to the patient cooperation, we have to give the clapping. How much force you have to give, you decide according to the patients. So after that, now you have to give the vibrations. So now shaking. So this is for middle lobe. Now I am showing you where secretion is accumulated in the lower lobe's posterior segment. So this is the position. The foot end you have to increase the 20 inches. Then you have to give the two pillows on your hip, below the hip joint, and make sure that your chest is below the hip joint, like a Trendelenburg position. So now I am going to remove, or I am going to clean the secretion. I am going to move the secretion from lower lobe to the large airways. So this is the position. So after that same technique we have to use clapping, vibrations, shaking. So these are all the main three techniques. Gently, rhythmically, lightly we have to use according to the patient cooperation and patient's status according to it. Then we have to, now I am going to give the clapping for the lower lobe of the right and left, both lobes. This is clapping. Because he is not a patient, only I am showing you a demo. So this is clapping and this is vibration. Vibration you should give while breath out. Only vibration you have to give breathing out. When you ask to the patient to breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. So this vibration, you remember always vibration is giving while breathing out. So now shaking. Gently 5 movement we have to give for soft tissues, lungs area. So this is shaking. So now I taught you how to give the postal drainage positions, because I don't have the sufficient, I am well equipped, so vibration also I am doing the manual, and I don't have the adjustable cot. So that's what I am giving, whatever the available things in the home, I am making best use of that. So these three things, postal drain positions, and which segment and which lung secretion is there, you have to auscultate through your stethoscope. Otherwise you have to see the x-ray, chest x-ray, then you come to know that. According to that you have to give the positions. After that you have to give the percussion, called as clapping, vibrations, shaking. These three things. In upper lobe you have to give the percussion over the in between the clavicle and nipple area. So in middle lobe you have to give the clapping on nipple area, and in lower lobe you have to give the uppermost area of the lower ribs. So after postal drainage you have to tell them huffing and coughing. So now I am going to show you. After postal drainage, huffing is very important. Huffing means you imagine this is a mirror and you are making steam on that. Like that you have to do without closing the glottis. First, it will stimulate the cough. This technique will stimulate the cough. So after that you have to tell them to cough like that. So these are the postal drainage technique. Then the automatically secretion will come out, the airways will be clear, and saturation will be increased, and patient will feel free, and he will take the less efforts to breathe. So it will be very helpful to the COVID patients or whoever having the chest secretion. Because of that saturation level will be down. So immediately their saturation level will be increased because of clearing the airways.